Good morning, my loving children. I am your science teacher, S.Kiran. Welcomes you all back to the another session of science online classes. Students, I expect from everyone that you all are fine and doing well at your home. And also I expect from you, everyone that your unit test 2 was very good. Am I right? Okay. So students, it's the time to continue the syllabus, and today I brought a new chapters and a topic in front of you all. So, and what is the today's topic? What is the today's chapter? First of all, if I talk about the chapter name is that things around us. And if I talk about the topic, so topic will be introduction. It's okay, students? Introduction. Yes, introduction. So, before proceeding, students, as it is simple, what you have to do? Use your headphones. It means wear your headphones for the better listening and experiencing. And take out your books, textbook, and get ready for the today's class. So, students, see the topic or the chapters, things around us. Do you know what is things around us? Because those all matters. That everything which is surrounding us, which is existing in front of us, which we can able to see, which we can imagine, which we can feel, which we can touch. These all things today we will talk about. Okay. It means if I talk about what type of things is around us, what will be your example? As an example, what will you say? What do you think about it? What type of things are available? Exactly. Everything, so what we are taking directly or indirectly, what we are feeling. Suppose to we are taking oxygen, air, that also we are feeling. Supposed to be too much hot weather is there, and sudden wind starts blowing. After that, we feel very fresh. We feel comfortable. We feel just free from sweating. What is this? Air. Air we cannot see. In spite of we are feeling comfortable. We are staying comfortable. Can you see wind? No. We can say that air is also existence on this earth. Doesn't matter, it is not visible, but it can be felt. That is also things which is surrounding us. If I talk about sunlight, what is sunlight? We cannot touch it. In spite of we feel comfortable in the winter season when we require the sunlight, when we require the heat. As we know that sun is a main source of energy. Sun is considered as a main source of energy. So if from sun we are getting energy, exactly we can say that is also a thing which is in front of us, among us, between us. That the thing is considerable, and we will study, we will proceeding step by step the things around us. Supposed to be I am using the marker to dictate all the things on the board. It is also things, it is also articles, it is also good. I am using this board to write down, to mention anything, to demonstrate yourself, to make you understand what is this. This is also a thing. We are taking food to remove our hungerness. What is that? That is also a things. We are drinking water as much as I required. Or us required. What we do? Why we are drinking water? We are drinking water to remove our thirstiness. It means you can say what are the things we feel, what are the things we can see, what are the things we can touch. These are all things are around us. These all things are existing around us. So Apart from it, if I talk in things around us, generally two types of people, two types of things are existing in our nature. Number first, living things. Number second, non-living things. Number first, living things. Number second, non-living things. Are you getting my point? So, students, I spoken that there are two types of things are existing in the nature. Number first, living, or number second, non-living. And what is the living and what is the non-living? How it will be categorized? On the what basis they are categorized? So these all information we will collect in this chapter. We will move forward to a step by step to knowing these things. Why and what is the characters of the particular things which is existing in the nature. So students, now we will know about the characteristics of living things or non-living things, how they have categorized, on what basis they have categorized. Because living things and non-living things, characteristics may be different. Why? What do you mean by characteristics? Characteristics, it means on the basis of their nature. On the basis of their nature. What type of nature it is? Supposed to be, you will consider yourself, your father, your mother, your sister, your teachers. You can consider. Everyone has a on nature. It means उनका अपना nature है, अपनी व्यक्तित्व है, उनकी अपनी पहचान है. Someone they like to eat mangoes, but others don't like to eat mangoes. Someone likes to live and develop the personality as per their wish, but someone has no need. They don't have wish. Someone has on life to achieve something in their life, but someone has not. But these things are the characteristics of the living things and non-living things. It means, so if I talk about the living things characteristics, then living things need nutrition. Why? What is, first of all, before to know the characteristics, we must know what is living things. Living things, do you know? I think you have studied in the class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 5th also. So, what is living things? The living things can grow. Living things can move. Okay. Living things need food for the survival. Living things need oxygen for the survival. It means these are the required materials which requires by the living things. So, if I talk about the characteristics of the living things, then we can ask living things need nutrition. Now, if I talk about nutrition, what is nutrition? So, it is first characteristics of the living things which is required by the living things. So, second of them, respiration. Third, growth, excretion, reproduction, movement, response to stimuli, cellular organization. It means these all are the characters of the living things. Okay. In which of them we will consider first nutrition. If I talk about nutrition, what is nutrition? If I talk about nutrition, what is nutrition? So we can say from where it can be collected. So first of all, students, you must know nutrition. Nothing is nutrition. Nutrition is not a object. Nutrition is not materials. It already, you can say that it can be collected from the food items. What we are using, what we are used to eat. Nutrition is, we can say, it is a process of providing or obtaining. It is a process of providing or obtaining from the food. It is what the food we are used to take. Through that food, some nutrition like carbohydrate, vitamins and minerals, fats, these all are the nutrition which are getting by food. So that nutrition, what we are using from food, we are collecting from them, our organs are collecting nutrition from them. So we can say the branch of science that deals with the nutrients and the nutrition, particularly nature, which all things are existing nature and we are collected from food, and food is collected from plants. So we can say that directly or indirectly we all are dependent upon plants. In that way, living things also categorized in two ways. Number first, autotrophs, and number second, heterotrophs. In autotrophs, those living things considered who has the capacity and who are the capable to prepare their food, prepare their own food by themselves. And heterotrophs who are dependent upon others. It means who are dependent upon others. If I talk about plants, plants never depends to others, either humans or nature or animals. They will give me something, then after I will take the food. No, they are getting from nature. They are preparing their food by themselves. From what they are collecting water from the nature, they are collecting sunlight from the nature, they are collecting temperature from the nature, they are collecting carbon dioxide from the nature. These all things required materials they are getting from nature only. But apart from it, if I talk about except plants, humans, animals, insects, these all things, they are dependent on plants directly or indirectly. They all are dependent on plants. Suppose to be, if I talk about animals, some animals what they used to do, some animals used to eat grass, it means herbivorous. Some animals are carnivorous, some animals are omnivorous. It means what is the carnivorous, herbivorous or omnivorous or herbivorous? These all are the categorization of the living things on the basis of their food. So we can say directly or indirectly all living things are dependent upon plants except plant. Plant is considered as a autotroph, and except plants, all living things are considered as heterotrophs. Okay, students. So nutrition, I hope that you all people have understood what is nutrition. Nutrition, it means it helps us to growing of the body. It helps us to growing of the body. It helps us to providing the proper functioning of the body. It helps us to take energy from the food. It provides us energy to execute our work. So we can say that nutrition is very important thing for us, and so to stay healthy. If I talk about the second process, what is the characters of the second? So we can say that respiration. What is respiration? Do you know respiration? Respiration is a process. Respiration is a process in which of them we are taking oxygen. It means we are inhaling oxygen from the nature and exhaling carbon dioxide in the nature. Are you getting my point, sisters? Respiration, it means a living thing. It is a process to stay alive through the oxygen we are taking. It means we are inhaling oxygen or exhaling carbon dioxide in the nature. So we can say that it is a process in a living organism involving the production of energy. And as we are inhaling oxygen, we feel energetic. As exhaling carbon dioxide or deoxygenated oxygen, we feel very tired. We help energyless. So we can say typically with the intake of oxygen and the release of CO2 from the oxidation complex organic substance. It means what we are the food, what food we are taking, or we are taking inhaling oxygen through the help of food or oxygen. What it releases? It releases carbon dioxide. It releases CO2. It means carbon dioxide. Apart from it, water and energy also. If supposed to be any person is to be in the fast, to live in the fast 1 day or 2 days. Supposed to be you are feeling hungry and food is not available at your mind. Your mama says, "Beta, you are stayed for 5 hours." What you will do? Suddenly you will start shouting, "Mama, what you are doing? I am feeling too much hungry." In such a way, why? Because now you are feeling don't have energy to stay till that time. So we require energy to stay healthy. We require energy to stay alive. So we can say that respiration, we are taking oxygenated oxygen, which is full of energy, and after inhaling the oxygen, we feel energetic. As it exhaling, and we feel tired or energyless, and we feel we don't have the energy to execute any work. So we can say that it means what we are taking the food, that organic substance, that complex organic substance, through the process of oxygen or respiration, what happens? They are releasing carbon dioxide or water and energy. I think, students, these two characteristics of the living things you have understood today very well, and we will proceed in the next video for the rest remaining topic. Okay, until that, complete your notes copy, update the notes, and be clarified and satisfied your minds whatever the query you have to relate to the topic. It's your wish to ask anytime. Okay, students, that's all. Thank you.